Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Peking University CSC Scholarship and other scholarships also. So Peking University has a well-established funding system which provides outstanding international students with relevant support related to their studies, accommodation, research, academic field trips. Peking University International Student Scholarship for prospective postgraduate degree student master's PhD is now calling for application. Eligible applicants are encouraged to read the relevant requirement thoroughly and submit the specific application to Peking University International Student Division and the China Scholarship Council in time. Prospective students studying for undergraduate programs do not need to submit scholarship application separately. Peking University will award relevant scholarship to admitted undergraduate students based on financial admission results. So here we can take a look. Chinese government scholarship, Peking University scholarship. Meet relevant application requirements. Application has successfully submitted. The applicants has successfully submitted the application for self-funded Peking University postgraduate program. Applications are not supported by Chinese scholarship, excluding all kind of one-time reward. Receive no other than kind of scholarship funding. So these are three categories. You can take a look. Here you can take a tuition waiver, annual tuition waiver, monthly stipend including accommodation subsidies, accommodation, health insurance, and bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD. So they are covering. So you can see Peking University scholarship is almost similar as CSC scholarship. Annual review requirements. So for all the scholarship, for these two scholarship, Peking University scholarship and Chinese government scholarship, there will be an annual review where they will review your progress. If you are performing well, then they will continue your scholarship. Otherwise, maybe they can terminate your scholarship. So you need to log in and scholarship application, fill in the information and submit the form. And then also complete the CSC system, your application form. They have provided all the information. Also, Peking University Institute code is 10001. Then you need to provide that for submitting your CSC application at CSC portal. So you need to have Chinese for submitting your application. You need to have Chinese government scholarship form, passport. I'll add you the link. I have already made the video of how we can apply for CSC scholarship. So I will add the link in the description. You can take a look. Notarized proof of highest academic degree, academic transcripts, proof of language proficiency, and pre-admission letter, study plan, 2 letter of recommendation, physical form of foreigners, certificate of non-criminal, and catalog or abstract of published academic work. Applicant for Chinese government scholarship, please pay attention to the email notification between April 11 to 13. Applicants who are not selected for Chinese government scholarship will be automatically reviewed by the other 2 scholarships. Each applicant can only receive 1 scholarship in the end. Applicant must ensure that submitted application materials are authentic and valid. Peking University reserves the right to require applicants to submit additional supplementary material. If the required supplementary material are not submitted following the relevant requirements or submitted after deadline, the application will be deemed invalid. The final result of application are expected to posted on the website of Peking University International Student Division in July-August on respective year in which you are applying. Yeah, so if you will have any question related to the application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your support. I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye.